adjective phrase. So complement of adjectives. Obviously, the complement of adjectives are a little different from a noun phrase. We have also seen that adjective like verb phrases take complement, right? So unlike verb phrase complements, adjective complements in English cannot be na and p. They must be realized by a prepositional phrase or a sentence bar or a sentence. Let's look at the examples. For example, aware the danger. So aware is an adjective, and we cannot say that the danger is its complement because the danger is a noun phrase, and an adjective cannot have a noun phrase as their complement. However, aware of the danger is a prepositional phrase. It can be used as complement of the adjective, and it is here as complement. Similarly, aware that she was in danger. That she was in danger is a sentence bar, right? Subordinate clause. So it can be its complement. Afraid, nuclear. So it is incorrect as nuclear is a noun phrase. Afraid of nuclear war. It's correct because of nuclear war is a prepositional phrase and it can be a complement of an adjective. Afraid that they might start a nuclear war. So that they might start is a sentence, subordinate sentence, sentence bar. So it can be the complement of an adjective. We already know this. The adjective above can be said to subcategorize for a prepositional phrase introduced by some P or for an S. Again, we might consider adjective plus subcategorized PP as adjective and treat adjective single bar and treat further modifier and specifier as adjective element. So adjective plus complement as subcategorization as adjective single bar, and with other specifier adjective may be double bar, right, element. So in the adjective phrase below, the adjective is italicized and further elements are adjective double bar elements. For example, sufficiently aware of the danger to do something. So we have aware of the danger, adjective plus complement single bar, and sufficiently to do something, we have that further adjective further element adjective plus double bar. So as afraid of nuclear war as her, this in the similar way. So we can have this same structure at the tree diagram simplified. Sufficiently adverb and sentence bar to do something, adjective double bar and adjective single bar, aware adjective and its prepositional phrase which is used as its complement of the danger, right? Here you can see that since our sentence is a non-finite sentence, so we have this round bracket as a remembrance for the subject, right? That which part of the sentence outside this phrase command the subject of to do. So note that the non-finite clause lacks a lexical subject and also lacks the complementizer for, right? So so the bracket is a subject controlled by some other element in the sentence, and we have studied when some element controls such a round bracket, such as a subject in such places. So we can see Mary was sufficiently aware of the danger to do something. So we know that the round bracket before to do something, which is a non-finite clause, is being the subject of this infinitive phrase is being controlled by the subject of the sentence, that is Mary. So you can look at this, that arrow from Mary goes into this. It means that it is Mary who is to do something. So what we can conclude is that adjective phrase can also behave in the similar manner as a verb phrase, a noun phrase, and a prepositional phrase behaves. That they have single bar to refer to X plus complement, and they have double bar to refer to anything that is a specifier or that is not that is related in some other way. right? So we have seen this in noun phrase, a verb phrase, adjective phrase. In all the phrases we have found the same.